You might typically see the thread and maple leather clip being used to hold measuring tape folded up and neat, but because it has such a strong magnet, we wanted to show you some other ideas for this handy little tool. If you have the Notions page that is available to add to your binder, there is a section here on the page that has a magnet, and that's where you're going to see the leather clip attached to. But if you don't have this page, turns out that any of the pages where there is a metal piece like a button, the leather clip will easily attach to those spots to keep it nice and handy. Another item that can get a bit messy is the barber cord or stitch holder tubing. So if you roll that up, you can then use the leather clip to keep that a bit more organized. If you use a clickable row counter, you can also use your leather clip to attach that to any of your pages. You can use the leather clip as a paper clip. You have patterns with multiple pages. And you can even use the leather clip as a bookmark. Because the magnet is so strong on the leather clip, I think one of my favorite ways to use it is on a notebook, so it can hold your pen or marker. And finally, you can take a yarn bag and turn it into a yarn bowl with a notch on the side that you can feed your yarn through. And this will keep your yarn nice and organized. So that's just a few ideas we had on other ways you can use the leather clip. Feel free to let us know in the comments if you have any other ideas. And thanks for watching.